Open the Logbook app, enter your credentials, and click Sign In. If there are any activities for today, yesterday, or tomorrow, they will be displayed in the activity list. If no activities are found, you can change the date using filters to view the activities. The user can scan an asset. The user can navigate to either the checklist or asset details. In Asset Details, users can view the asset properties, consumables, and documents of the scanned QR asset. For the selected activity, the activity details will be displayed. To upload an image or document, use Activity Documents. Otherwise, open the checklist from the checklist page and complete it, and user can also view the asset views. The user can select multi-stage separator outage or live critical parameters, and view all configured details. Click on the checklist to enter or modify values. Click the Set Complete button to finish the checklist. After completing the checklist, the authorized user can approve or reject it. After completion, the checklist appears in green in the activity list. To complete tasks without an internet connection, go to the data buffer. Use filters to download the checklists. The red color indicates the offline mode.